A vintage clothing shop offers a unique mix of nostalgia and fashion-forward style. Here's why setting up one online can be a great idea. First, niche market. Vintage clothing enthusiasts are always on the lookout for unique pieces, making it easier to target a specific audience. Second, eco-friendly. Buying vintage reduces waste and supports sustainability, which resonates with environmentally conscious consumers. Third, low startup costs. With minimal initial investment, you can start small and scale as you go. And finally, wide product range. From clothing to accessories, the possibilities are endless in a vintage clothing store. The first step is to define your brand identity. This includes deciding on a niche that resonates with your passion and appeals to a target audience. First, choose your era. Will your shop specialize in 1950s rockabilly fashion, 1970s bohemian styles, or 1990s grunge? Second, style and aesthetic. Determine the overall style of your shop, minimalist, colorful, retro, or eclectic. Third, unique selling proposition. What makes your shop different from the rest? Is it your curated collection, personal styling tips, or themed events? And fourth, target audience. Identify who you're selling to. Vintage fashion lovers, sustainable fashion advocates, or young adults looking for affordable, unique clothing. Sourcing your inventory is crucial to the success of your shop. Here's how to do it effectively. First, thrift stores and flea markets. Visit local thrift stores, estate sales, and flea markets to find unique pieces. Second, online auctions and websites. Platforms like eBay, Depop, and Etsy offer a variety of vintage items. Third, consider quality. Ensure items are in good condition and clean before listing them. And fourth, set a budget. Stick to your budget while sourcing to maintain profit margins. Creating your online store is the next step. Here's how to get started. First, choose the right platform. Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce are all excellent options for setting up an online store. Second, design your shop. Choose a clean, easy-to-navigate layout that complements your brand. Use high-quality images and detailed descriptions for each product. Third, shipping and payment methods. Set up shipping options that cater to your target market. Integrate secure payment methods for a seamless checkout experience. And fourth, SEO optimization. Use keywords related to vintage fashion in product titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your visibility in search results. Step 4. Create compelling listings. Your product listings are the first impression your customers will have. Make them count. First, high-quality photos. Use high-resolution images from multiple angles to showcase the items. Second, detailed descriptions. Include relevant details about the fabric, fit, size, condition, and any notable features. Third, catchy titles. Use keywords like vintage, retro, bohemian, or the specific era to attract searches. And lastly, competitive pricing. Research similar items to price your products competitively while ensuring profitability. Step 5. Market your vintage shop. Marketing is key to driving traffic and sales to your vintage clothing shop. First, establish a strong social media presence. Create dedicated profiles on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Share high-quality images, style guides, and customer reviews. Second, consider influencer collaborations. Partner with fashion influencers who resonate with vintage fashion to boost visibility and credibility. Third, focus on content marketing. Create blog posts, videos, and guides related to vintage fashion. Tips on styling, care, and fashion history can attract a loyal audience. Lastly, don't forget about email marketing. Send regular newsletters with exclusive offers, new arrivals, and promotions to keep your audience engaged. Step 6. Provide excellent customer service. Customer service can make or break your online shop. Here's how to excel. First, ensure responsive communication. Use tools like live chat or email to promptly respond to customer inquiries. Second, display clear policies. Make sure your return, refund, and shipping policies are clearly visible on your website. Third, offer a personalized experience. Provide personalized styling tips and advice to customers based on their previous purchases. Finally, focus on post-purchase engagement. Follow up with thank you notes, surveys, and requests for reviews to build customer loyalty. Common mistakes to avoid. Setting up a vintage clothing shop comes with its challenges. Here's what to avoid. First, overpricing. Price your items competitively. Research similar shops to determine the right price range. Second, poor inventory management. Keep track of your inventory to avoid overstocking or understocking. Third, ignoring quality control. Ensure each item meets quality standards before listing. Lastly, neglecting marketing. Without marketing, even the best products won't sell. Stay active on social media and engage with your customers. Conclusion: your vintage journey begins now. Setting up a vintage clothing shop online is more than just selling clothes. It's about curating a unique experience for your customers. With the right strategies and dedication, you can create a successful online vintage clothing business that resonates with fashion lovers everywhere. For more tips on online entrepreneurship, click the link on your screen to watch our next video. Let's continue exploring new ways to make money online together.